friends, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Noelle and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create a half up, half down twisted pull through braid. This hairstyle is absolutely beautiful and it's perfect for weddings, date night, or honestly all summer long. So let's get started. So before I actually show you guys how to do this hairstyle, I'm first going to clip in my Luxy Hair Extensions. The set that I'll be using today are the Ombre Blonde 20-inch, 220 gram set, and honestly, these are a perfect match to my hair color. I like using hair extensions when I do any hairstyle, but especially braids because it honestly just enhances the hairstyle and really adds more volume and length to the look. So when sectioning off my hair, I first like to start right above my ear, and this is where I'm going to place my first weft. So the first one I'm going to go in with is the 4-clipped weft. Once the first one is clipped in, I'm just going to let my hair down, and then what I'm going to do for the second section is I'm going to take about a ½ inch above that first section and do the same exact thing, and then I'm just going to clip in the 3-clipped weft extension. So since I have pretty thin hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 1-clip weft and I'm going to clip that on each side of my head, and what this is going to do is it's going to add volume and fullness to the twist and pull through braid that I'm about to show you guys. Once those two wefts are clipped in, what you want to do is take both those two sections along with the hair extensions that you just clipped in and fasten it in the back of your head with a clear tiny elastic. And what this is going to be is the beginning of the twist part of the braid. So to create the twist part of this braid, what you want to do is take those two sections and flip the ponytail through those two sections and then pull through, and it's easy as that. That is the twist part of the braid. To create a fuller looking twist, I'm going to use a technique called pancaking, which basically means I'm just going to gently pull apart the two twists to create a fuller effect. Once you're done pancaking, you want to secure the twist braid out of the way with a hair clip. So this is the part of the hairstyle that gets a little bit tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of hair and I'm going to create a base for the pull through braids. So I just took a little chunk of hair, including the hair extensions that we clipped in underneath, and I'm just going to secure it with a clear elastic and kind of create a ponytail in the middle of my head. Once you're done, it should look something like this. Once that ponytail is created, what you want to do is take half of that ponytail and section it in two, and take that top half of that section and add it into the twisted braid that we have pinned away. So once those two parts are conjoined, you want to section those two parts off again and put them in front of you and lay them aside. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom half of that other ponytail and pull it through and section it on top. This is going to be part of the pull through braid. Once that bottom ponytail is secure, you want to take those two pieces that we set aside before and tie those two pieces together with a tiny clear elastic. Once those two pieces are tied around that bottom ponytail, we're going to let that piece down and continue the process again. So you're going to split those two pieces in half again, set them aside, and pull that bottom part through and secure it to the top of your head, and repeat the same process. Once again, you're going to take those two pieces that you set aside and tie them together with a clear elastic, and then let that top piece down to fall over those two pieces you just tied together. And what you're going to do is you're going to continue this process all the way down until you reach your desired length for your pull through braid. I'm going to stop about 3/4 the way down. Once you've reached your desired length of your pull through braid, you just want to secure that entire braid with a clear elastic. And then lastly, to create a more full looking braid, I'm going to go back in with that same technique called pancaking, and I'm just going to slightly tug on the little braids to finish off the look.
end of this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure also that you're subscribed to the Luxy Hair channel to stay updated on new hairstyles that are posted every single week. Thanks for watching.